If your arrows break every time you move a layout, this will fix it. No plugins, no redrawing, just one built-in trick. Most designers don't know this works in Figma Design. In real projects, designs keep changing. Text grows, cards stretch, auto layout shifts everything. And suddenly your arrows are wrong. Because manual arrows are just lines, they don't know what they connect. So every update means fixing diagrams over and over again. Instead of drawing arrows, use connectors, specifically FigJam connectors inside Figma Design files. No plugins, no setup, no maintenance. Once you start using it, you won't go back, at least until Figma implements it directly. In FigJam, select the connector tool from the bottom toolbar. No shapes needed. Connectors snap to objects, frames, components, anything. Basically, they attach to structure, not pixels. Copy the connectors, paste it into your Figma Design file, attach the endpoints, and now watch. Move the layouts, still connected. Resize the layout, still correct. Change spacing, reorder elements, everything stays attached. No fixing, no redrawing, because this isn't a line, it's a relationship. You can even add text directly on the arrow. You know it's great for flows, variants, decision paths, and the labels stay centered when things move. On complex projects, diagrams become outdated fast, unless connections move with the design. So stop drawing arrows, stop installing connector plugins, use FigJam connectors instead. If you want more practical tricks that actually speed up real work, subscribe.